Hello everybody, and welcome to the short video where I will show you how to make a magic ring, or also known as a magic circle or a magic loop. If you need to crochet a circle or any project that requires you to crochet in rounds, you want that middle to be closed as much as possible. When you make, for example, a toy, you don't want the stuffing peeking out or coming out of that space in the middle. With this one, chain stitches were made and joined to form a ring, and double crochets were made inside that chain ring, and you can see an opening was left in the middle of the circle. With this one, a magic loop was used, and you can see you can pull it tightly closed and it looks much better. So come on, let me show you and let's do some magic. I will be using double knit yarn for this video and a 4.5mm hook. To start your magic ring, it is almost the same as the way that I do my slip knot. You will keep the yarn in place between your thumb, index finger and middle finger. You will loop it around, cross it over, keep it in place, and you will insert your yarn underneath the first loop and over the second loop. Pull that loop through and just twist your yarn. Remove your fingers, yarn over, pull it through the loop, and there you have a ring that is secured. I will be making 10 double crochets inside the magic ring. We start off by chain 2, yarn over for the double crochet, and you will insert your hook in the ring. Just make sure you include both yarns. Like you can see, there's both. Once you are done with your double crochets, you just take this loose yarn and you pull it, and you will see it closed. Now we are just going to slip stitch into this chain space. And voila! Magic!